What is all that?
I need to practice my microphone holding, Nolan.
No, I mean like, what you're wearing.
Oh, this whole thing?
You look like you got lost in Elton John's closet.
That's not what your friend said during Katie's live stream the other night when you wore it.
I didn't join the live stream on Saturday. You went?
I just want to see what the fuss was all about. There's a lot of estrogen in that place, you know. But don't worry, they thought I was you. I went under your name and everything, so.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so just a heads up, if somebody asks you about Grandma and her pasties...
What?
Pasties, they're like little nip covers. Like little dangly things. I mean, like, Grandma doesn't need anything more dangling off her tits, but...
What went on Saturday night?
Oh, yeah, and if somebody ever asks you how deep your river is, never, ever say Raving Rapids. No, it's damn nasty. It's a sexual thing.
Hey guys, Nolan here. I just want to welcome everybody who decided to join Self-Doubt and myself on this writing journey.
And what are we doing today?
I was actually thinking we should do the Authortube Newbie Tag.
Newbie Tag? Well, we're not newbies.
Yeah, I know, but we never did it, and I feel like it's something we should have on our Authortube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got it right here. What is your book's pitch?
Don't look at me.
What? You have a book idea?
No, how many times have I gone over this with you, Nolan? I'm not doing the writing thing anymore. This is all you.
It's just I really suck at this pitch thing.
You could have fooled me.
I said pitch, not bitch. Okay, so a book pitch. How about something like an assassin who has no memories of her past finds answers when her latest target steps into her sights.
That seems a little weak.
Well, I did just kind of make it up on the spot, so...
Whoa. But what happened to the big pharma thing and the cloning and how they're looking to create the ultimate soldier by selling it to different governments? Like, what happened there?
Well, you find a way to stick it in there, and then I'll tell you.
What's the next question?
If you were a book, how would you pitch yourself?
I could have sworn this was a baseball game with all the pitching going on.
Dowdy.
What? I said pitching. I mean, bitching works too.
Okay, pitch our life.
How about a fabulous singer who tries to get Nolan to stop crying in the bathroom?
I don't cry in the bathroom. Nearly as much. But come on, Dowdy, there's more to my life than sobbing over spilt milk.
Well, how about a bitchy horse person who struggles at getting his channel to work and do the whole social media thing?
That's rather accurate.
Sadly, I know. Okay, what do you usually write?
Well, I guess it would be sci-fi, really, but not like aliens and Star Trek up in space, like not that kind of sci-fi. I like present time, and modern day with some like nifty stuff going on in the background,
That's not all you write, though. You sprinkle into thriller and a whole bunch of different things. You can't just say all you write is sci-fi. Like what happened to the other book that you did about the woman who gets hired to destroy people?
Bloody hell, Dowdy, keep it on the down low. I don't really know what I'm doing with that project yet, so shh.
Oh, my bad. Alright, moving on. What's something you'll never write? Romance. Ew. I mean, honestly, erotica's gotta be better.
Sorry, romancers out there.
Not really.
Don't be a dick. Okay, what's your goal for creating an author platform?
To get discovered for my singing? Singing is my passion.
It's Authortube, not SingerTube. What do you think you're going to get?
You never know who's watching.
Okay, like whatever. I'm just going to exclude you from this question. Like, no.
Calm down, ladies. I already have a deal. Did you know?
You bring it up all the time, so... Now, I, on the other hand, joined Authortube to meet new people, like-minded people, and to share the stuff I write, so...
Real original, Nolan. What are we on? Oh, now what made you want to start writing?
I used to write in a whole bunch of different online forums back after my friend asked me to join her Harry Potter roleplay. I created my character, and I won't lie, they were a dumpster fire.
Your friend was?
No, the character I created.
Oh, that's less interesting.
But once the same friend asked me to join NaNoWriMo, I kind of was hooked. I really enjoyed writing after that.
And what is your publishing path?
I have no idea. I mean, I can't even create a tagline for my book. Why would I know what path I'm going to take?
Oh my freaking gosh! You used to always go on about how you want to do traditional.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Can we go back to the second question? Honestly, your life pitch would be, boy who can't make up his damn mind. Next!
Dick.
What'd you say?
What do you bring to the writing community?
You already answered this in your first video. Anxiety. You bring anxiety.
This is true. And I bring you, so there's that.
Uh-huh. And what's your biggest struggle?
Okay, well, let me think about this. Like, honestly, I think there are always two types of writers. There's the one person who's really good at writing, and there's the other person who's really good at creating ideas. And I do think I'm the person who can write good ideas. And the actual craft of it is something I struggle with a lot. So, that's, I guess, where I would say my struggle lies.
I don't think that answered the question.
Okay, fine. My main struggle is creating characters with emotional relationships. Could be because I'm antisocial. That could just be part of it, right there.
And your strength?
Well, one of my betas did tell me I have a knack for writing fight scenes, so yeah, I will say that.
What's your best tip?
Well, like I said in one of my other videos, which I'll link to right up there, for anybody interested, you should definitely give it a check out. But what I did say was there's no such thing as good and bad writing. It's subjective. It's like art. What I would say is what one person says is terrible writing, another person can say is pure perfection. So, pretty much write what you write, try bettering yourself, but just because one person says your writing is bad doesn't make it so.
That's great. And the last question is, are there any people you're looking to connect with on the platform? Oh, if you're looking for somebody to sing or just speak audiobook your novel, I got you covered. I got a beautiful voice. Like,
That's not what it means, Dowdy, but I will say we're always looking for beta readers, writing buddies, you know, the works.
Yeah, maybe somebody can help you with that pitch of yours, huh?
And a tagline.
Are you still on that?
I'm not talking about that right now. And that's all we've got for you guys today. Let us know what you think of our answers, or if you want to answer, let us know down below. Why not just write it out? I'd love to read what you guys have to say. Let us know down below. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up, as I've said before, and I'll say it again. It's a little thing, but it really does go a long way. And if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button and join Self-Doubt and myself on our writing journey. We have new videos up every week for your entertainment, but also to help writers with their own writing. And that's everything I've got for you guys today. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.
Do you think I could pull off the share look?
Maybe if you turn back time, you could find a way?
I feel something inside me say.
I really don't think you're strong enough. No.
It's now, Nolan. The lyric is now.
But I wasn't singing. I was just stating a fact.
What am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you.
I'm not singing this with you.
Do you believe in life after love? Oh, my hair! Oh God, Blake, I can't see.